Hello, welcome again. Today, I will give you the honest review about Quizdom app for Android. But before starting, let us head over to Play Store and see some of its reviews. Even I commented on this app on December 26th, but no response. Everyone here is saying, we are unable to get $10, which is a minimum threshold. Everyone is stuck at $9. Although, app rating is good, but it is a big scam. Now let's head over to my app. As you can see, my balance is $9.05 and it is stuck here for a long time. They offer different payout methods, but none of them is going to be yours, because you are never gonna get $10 from this app. Okay, let's scratch your lucky card. Even if you do this all day, there are only coins that you can get, nothing else. I tried to contact them, but all in vain. So, go and check all reviews about this app before commenting here. Hence, I am going to uninstall this app. You should too. My next video will be about Fun X app, so stay tuned.